Thanks for joining us for today's fountain pen unboxing. This is a new Leonardo Officina Italiana fountain pen, and it's an exclusive Momento Zero. So the Momento Zero fountain pens are one of their most popular models, and this is a version of that popular model that is only available here at penchalet.com. The pen comes in the classic Leonardo pen box, and you have plenty of information included in the brochure right inside the box. Now let's take a look at the exclusive Momento Zero. We love the unique color combinations that Leonardo comes up with for us to have on our exclusive listing. Right now, this is the only exclusive that we have available, and it is Magmatica. This is the Magmatica resin paired with gold trim. The Momento Zero fountain pens are hand-turned in Italy, and they use really high-quality resin. It's a fairly standard size pen, and it does have a series of rings at the bottom of the cap that kind of run up into the center ring on the barrel. It does have a spring metal clip, and this exclusive Magmatica release has a section that matches the Magmatica resin on the rest of the pen. It is fitted with a Jovo stainless steel nib, and it uses a standard international size ink cartridge converter system. So you can use either standard international size ink cartridges to ink your pen, or you can use the converter that's included with the pen to fill it with any fountain pen safe bottled inks, or you can use any international standard size converter to fill it with bottled inks. I do like the converter that Leonardo includes with their pens. It's a nice converter. It feels sturdy when I'm using it. If you already have a Momento Zero fountain pen and you purchased it prior to 2021, they used to be fitted with Bock nibs, but now they're fitted with Jovo nibs. Shop now at penchalet.com.